Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I made plantain porridge using unripe plantain, as you can see in this video. So first of all, I had to pluck out the quantity that would be enough for me and my family. So after that, I had to start peeling up the back, as you can see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my videos. So after I was done peeling the back, I had to transfer it into a bowl and I had to wash it properly before I can now finally start cutting them into smaller sizes, as you can see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my videos. If this is your first time of watching my videos, welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm already done cutting them into smaller sizes. So I had to wash my onions so I can now cut it into smaller sizes, and now added it into my pot, as you can see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe. So after that, I now added my seasoning cubes, as you can see in this video, followed by salt, as you can see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And thanks for watching my video. After that, I now added my pepper and crayfish mix. I had to wash them very well and now had to pound them together, as you can see in this video. So I just added my crayfish and pepper, and now I had to turn it very well, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my videos. Always tell me how you feel in the comment section. Don't just watch and go. You can as well share how you prepare yours, so I can as well learn from you, okay? So after that, I now added my seasoned, as you can see, this is my seasoned pomo, cowskin and panla fish. So I've already seasoned it very well to be tasty. So I now added it into my pot, followed by African oil bean obaka. I've already washed it, so I now added it into my pot, as you can see in this video, followed by red oil, as you can see in this video. So now I added clean water, as you can see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I now had to mix them properly before I can now finally cover it and set it on fire so that it will cook for like 3 to 5 minutes until the plantain is soft, yummy, and all that. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I am trying to mix them very well. I added more water because the initial one I added, it was just too small. You don't have to add plenty water, enough to make it creamy and yummy by the time you are done cooking. So now I covered my pot. As you can see, it's on fire. My plantain is already, it has already softened. And things like that. So I had to turn it very well. The next one, I added my fresh tomatoes. I love adding tomatoes in my plantain. I also love adding ogiri, but I didn't use ogiri in this, so I added tomatoes followed by my waka. Then I had to turn it very well. As you can see, our food is almost, like I said, almost ready. So I added mangala fish. My mother-in-law, she loves this fish a lot, and she's in my house, so it's because of her I just added this, because normal the bomo and the panla fish should be enough for the food in this economy. So as you can see, my food is almost ready. So now I added already washed water leaf, scent leaf, and utazi. Is a mixture of the 3 vegetables. I added it. I have already washed it and cut it. Now added it into my pot, as you can see, and I had to turn it very well for like a minute or two. You do not cook vegetables for long. Some people do bring it down from pot, then add, then turn while the food is still hot. So as you can see, I'm trying to mix my food very well, and food is ready. Trying to serve this one for my son. So as you can see, my plantain porridge is ready. It was so yummy, so creamy like. Thanks for watching. Bye.